all my background is into pharmaceutical, being in the supply chain. So when I heard about this boot camp, it's a very good opportunity to actually put into place all the theory, all those things we've learned in class, in lab, into actual practice. So that's why I joined the boot camp. The goal is to actually transform all the hands-on that I've learned here into the real world, because most of the things that I learned in chemistry, biochemistry, is all in theory. So this bootcamp, and actually that's why I was really excited about it. You actually learn about the processes, the SOPs, the good manufacturing practices that actually goes into making those drugs, and more importantly, learning about FDA regulations to make sure that those drugs are actually safe. The rewarding aspect of it is you are involved in saving someone's life. So that alone is fulfilling for me. The advice that I have is people should look into Columbus State, look at the programs, especially the accelerated training programs. Those are really good programs. The world keeps changing, pharmaceutical industry keep changing, new processes keep evolving. So you have to keep upgrading yourself, to keep up with the changing pace.